Right, so in the previous tutorial we discussed the for loop, and in this one we'll be talking about the while loop. Now what we'll do is we'll do the exact same statement with the while loop as well, so that it will be easy for you to compare between the two and get the difference as to how each one functions. So let me quickly give you the syntax of the while loop. We have the while keyword, a bracket, and the body. Now there is a slight difference in the positioning of the three things. The initialization happens before the body of the loop. The condition happens here in the brackets, and the updation happens inside the body of the loop. The most common mistake made by people is they forget the updation statement and it becomes an infinite loop, right? So make sure you don't forget the updation statement, because it has to be inside the body of the loop, and obviously it is the last line in the body, right? So let's quickly make a variable, say I, and initialize it with 1 again. What condition did we have? We had I less than or equal to 10, and let's echo same thing, the present value of I is, and we'll say ampersand I, there we go, and a semicolon obviously. Now before we forget, let's quickly add the updation statement, which is ampersand I plus plus. Now you won't forget it here because we have just one body or just one statement in the body. When you make a huge program, it is possible that you will forget it, so please mark my words, this is important, right? Because if you do not update the value of I, it will be 1 and this loop will keep on running forever, and then God knows what will happen with your computer, right? So let's quickly save this, go to the browser, refresh, and there we go, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, the exact same output which we got in the previous one and which is expected also. Now let's try the reverse one. We'll say I is equal to 10 and I is greater than or equal to 1. Now instead of greater than or equal to 1, we can also write it greater than 0, right? Both mean the same, and this will be I minus minus. So save and run. So there we go, 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Again the reverse statements. So that is how you give conditions here. So that was all about the while loop. Just the only difference is between the positioning of these three statements. The do while loop, however, is quite different in the way it functions. So we'll take a look at it in the next video. So go ahead, try the while loop out, and I'll see you later.